Subtest 5 Upper Limb Coordination. Subtest 5 Item 1 Bouncing a ball and catching it with both hands. Say, when I say begin, bounce the tennis ball on the floor and catch it with both hands. Demonstrate. Keep your feet on the mat. There will be one practice trial and there will be 5 recorded trials. On the individual record form, record the number of correct catches. Subtest 5 Item 2 Bouncing a ball and catching it with preferred hand. You say, when I say begin, bounce the tennis ball on the floor and catch it with your right or left hand. Demonstrate. Test 5 Item 3 Catching a toss ball with both hands. The subject stands on a standing mat and with both hands catches a tennis ball tossed underhand from a distance 10 feet or 3 meters away. The number of correct catches is recorded. One practice trial and 5 recorded trials. Subtest 5 Item 4 Catching a tossed ball with preferred hand. You say, stand on the mat and catch this ball in your left or right hand. Subtest 5 Item 5 Throwing a ball at a target with preferred hand. They stand behind this line. You are to throw the ball overhand at the bull's eye. Throw from behind this line. Subtest 5 Item 6 Touching a swinging ball with preferred hand. The subject uses the index finger of the preferred hand to touch a ball as it swings in front of the subject's face. 2 practice trials and 5 recorded trials. Subtest 5 Item 7 Touching nose with the index finger, eyes closed. Allow no more than 90 seconds, including time needed for additional instructions for the subject to touch nose correctly for 4 consecutive times, twice with each finger. Subtest 5 Item 8 Touching thumb to fingertips, eyes closed. You say you are to touch your thumb to each of the fingertips on this hand. Start with your little finger and touch each fingertip in order. Subtest 5 Item 9 Pivoting thumb and index finger. The subject touches the tip of the right index finger to the tip of the left thumb and then pivots the hands to touch the tip of the left index finger to the tip of the right thumb. The subject continues to pivot the hands, touching finger to thumb, in an upward or downward motion.